Bookkeeping Firm Template is for accountants to keep track of the tasks they need to do for clients. The folder can be named after the specific client. Then we have lists to categorize the tasks. Here we have onboarding, monthly tasks, and yearly tasks. Tasks are the things you need to do and services you provide to clients. They have a status, an assignee, a time estimate, a drop-down custom field to show if it's waiting on the client or not, very useful for filtering on, a priority flag, notes, which are particularly useful for showing what we're waiting on the client for, and an auto progress column. If you create subtasks and checklist items for this task, this progress bar will automatically update as you complete them. Lastly, we have some views. The first is the list view we see here. Next, we have the calendar view, so we can see what tasks are coming up and how they fall on the calendar. This is particularly useful for identifying peaks and troughs in workload early. Then we have a list view, filtered to only show reports, so that you can focus in on what needs to be sent out and when. Lastly, we have a doc view to keep important information about this client. Use this template to kickstart your setup, then edit and change it as needed to make ClickUp perfectly suit you. To get this template, we can go to the plus button up here, from template, and then choose the finance management section and the bookkeeping firm template. Click use template to import it into your ClickUp.